Guys, as we were saying, we've had such a hard time getting people bring gravel in here, but we actually got one guy that's going to bring us some. He's going to bring us 5 ton, and we'll just kind of take everybody with us down there, and we'll show you what happens with 5 ton, how much 5 ton of gravel will do, which ain't much when your driveway's probably half a mile to a mile wide long. So, but it will fill in a couple little mud holes, the worst mud holes. So that's all we're really shooting for right now. So thank you. Yeah, we're gonna go back up the bonka bonk.
That's no real boinka boink.
No, that ain't no bonka bonk. Down here's the bonka bonk.
Yeah. Down here is boink. Not right here. No, that's there.
Yeah.
Right back there.
Okay, right back there. Yeah.
Those,
So okay, this is the end of the pavement. This is where you start on to the gravel.
Come back to your property.
Here we go. Here we go.
This is the rock that they're scared to bring gravel across.
Yeah, this is the hill that everybody's so terrified of.
Bless you, baby.
I mean, it's not very steep, but it ain't not steep neither, you know. So. Bonka bonka bonka. Is that why it's called the bonka bonka road?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Bonka bonka.
It's not right up there.
No, right up there, yeah. Another bonka bonk. Okay, now here's the top of the rock.
That's good.
Yeah, top of the rock. Now we're going to start down the back side of the rock.
Have a bunch of rocks down here.
Yeah, a bunch of rocks, yep.
Have a bunch of rocks down here.
Yeah, down here is a bunch of rocks, yep.
Yeah. There's some mud down here now, too.
Yeah.
There's some mud down here, too. No, what's your next car?
Yeah, Nana's car, yeah.
Woods. Bikers.
This whole hill right here ain't nothing but one big rock with a road cut across it.
My house right there. House right there.
That house fall down?
Yeah.
Daggone it did, didn't it, Bubba?
That's my house.
Is that your house?
Yeah.
Daggone. The tree fell across that building?
Yeah, that's my house.
Oh, daggone.
Let me fix that.
We'll have to fix that sucker up.
Yeah, that's my house.
Yeah.
Somebody stole my house.
Somebody stole your house?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Somebody stole my house.
Well, they better not be stealing your house.
Yeah.
They get in trouble. Okay, here's...
Mud.
Yeah, there's the ruts.
Mommy, look out the window.
Okay.
The other gate you see up ahead where the camper is, that's the back side of our property.
Yeah, that's the other driveway that we fixed in. And here is 5 ton of gravel. What 5 ton looks like, just a little handful. But this was the worst spot really in the whole road right here, where it's just around this curve. This wasn't nothing but a mud hole.
My shovel.
Did you get your shovel?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go get it, and then we'll come back and shovel some more.
Yeah. Put them in mud.
Yeah. We need to get this scraped or something more than
Okay.
where we scattered it out with the shovels. We need to get scraped out a little bit more.
My shovel.
So,
My shovel's in truck.
is it in the truck?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's in truck.
Okay, we'll get it out of the truck.
Yeah, that's mine.
It's yours?
Yeah. There's mud on it.
Okay, yeah.
And I have mud on it.
Mud on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And where these poles are right here is where Chris put culverts in to run the water.
Yeah, put them fence posts up so we'd know where the culvert was, and the opening, the exit of the culvert. Right straight ahead's where the shop's gonna be. Right there in that
My
spot
tractor
there.
goes all the way down there.
And here's going back up to the house.
And all the way over there. Tractor's all the way over there.
All the way over there?
My tractor goes all the way down here.
Okay.
My tractor goes all the way down here.
Okay,
My
yeah.
tractor goes all the way down there.
Your tractor did?
Yeah.
Whoa. Let me turn around.
And then there's the greenhouse, the chicken house, and where the greenhouse is gonna be.
Truck. That's Daddy's truck. That's Daddy's truck.
Daddy's truck? Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, that is.
That's Daddy's truck. My truck.
It's facing back down the driveway. A little steeper than it looks on camera, but it ain't bad.
Let me do it.
Okay, you can drive.
Hit Papa's car.
We're gonna hit Papa's